Oh, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did record with the Insta360 this morning, but because I'm new to it, I did not know how to use it. So I got some footage, but I ended up accidentally deleting it. So here's the footage. So this morning I was heading off to work, and you'll be able to see it's on. It was recording. So when I had some time at work, I was playing around with it to see how it looks like, how everything works. It looks pretty good. But I'm gonna redo this again. I'm gonna test it out. But if you like this kind of content, guys, any kind of like reviews of products, let me know. So but right now I'm gonna let you know the specs. I have it at 4K. I don't have it at 5.7. I don't want to record at a big file size, so because I don't have a lot of storage. So at 4K at 30 frames per second, so it should look pretty good. I usually record around 1080 24 frames with the GoPro. If I need to go higher, probably go 4K 24 frames. But right now I'm, like I said, it's low on space, so right now I'm recording the GoPro with a 1080. That is at 4K, so working what I have. But alright guys, let me get on the bike and just get enough for work. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit more on the road. So let's get out of the garage. Alright guys, so I am out of the garage and on the road. So this morning, like I said, I was recording. So on that topic, I was kind of explaining that, yeah, I got this Insta360 at the end of September. So right now it's at the end of September. I got like 2 more days. So it is getting cold. I am in Illinois, so I am wearing under pretty much armor. So I got my long sleeve Under Armour with my pants, gloves, and mask. So this morning it was actually around 46 degrees in Fahrenheit. For the other side of the world, I'll put it here in Celsius. It is getting chilly, so with the windshield it gets down there. But yeah guys, it is getting cold. It's the end of September, so I'm trying to get some footage with a new camera and kind of test it out before the season's over of riding, because it does snow here a lot, and pretty much around 6 to 7 months I won't be able to ride. But yeah guys, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So I'm trying to get this footage as quick as possible. So let me know, you guys, if you like this kind of footage to use it in my daily rides, DIY projects, because I've been thinking about it for quite a while. And I did an unbox of this just the other day. I posted up in one of the corners here if you want to see the unboxing and my first experience seeing the Insta360. So check that video out guys, and give the video a like and subscribe. We're trying to reach at least 1,000 subscribers by the end of at least next year. My goal for this year was at least 1,000, but at least I got a couple of new subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing. So my next goal is at least getting up to 600 subscribers. So hopefully with the new content that I want to make, it's gonna be shorts, so it should be okay. But alright guys, we're gonna get onto the highway. I'm not gonna talk too much because usually the helmet is pretty airy, so it's gonna be a lot of noise, rumbling. So I'm just gonna let the footage roll and check it out after. So alright guys, okay. Oh yeah guys, but one thing, I did record the installation of the bar end mirrors. I did do a review about them. It's already been like a month already. So, but you guys, I'll post this in the corner so you can, or if you're interested to see how to install bar end mirrors, I'll post it up there. Plus, I got my grip warmers. Works pretty well. Yeah, it is traffic hours, so I'm gonna be stuck in traffic for a bit. Like this in this intersection, because there's what, 1, 2 merging lanes, and it conjuncts or conceals or whatever. It just merges all to one spot, and it slows down heavily around the front end over there. So, but for you guys, I'm just gonna cut it and just go full speed after. Alright guys, there we go. That's the highway. So like I said, let me go and can't speak, it's cold. But you guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think? I'm not gonna edit or color grade too much the footage because I don't know how that's gonna look like yet, but I'm gonna leave it standard and see how it comes out. I'm just gonna cut in and cut out, but let's see how it looks, and hopefully I'll keep it. We'll see. I'm just testing it out, guys, testing it out, but we'll see when the new GoPro 360 how that comes out. If it's easier to edit with, I might get that too to test it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.